Greetings and welcome to this brand new updated guide which will help you to install Filza File Manager without a jailbreak using just Trollstore. Yes, it will work on any version which is supported by Trollstore. The guides to install Trollstore with all the supported iOS versions mentioned is in the description for you. The method shown in this video along with the Filza File Manager and Trollstore is completely free and legit. So first of all, after of course you have installed Trollstore, open Safari and head to the official Filza File Manager website, as you can see it right here. Alright, and then simply scroll down, or if you can't find it, you can simply hit this burger menu and select Filza from here. Scroll down and then you'll find this IPA file for Trollstore, as you can see it right here. Just tap on it. Now simply scroll down again and you'll find this IPA for Trollstore. Alright, simply get this file from here, hit the download button and wait for the download to finish. Also guys, this method of course will work on all your iOS 15 or 16 devices provided Trollstore is installed. Now simply go back home, then open Trollstore, then hit this plus button, install IPA, and then select the IPA which we just got and then hit install. Once installed, go home and you'll find Filza on your home screen and you can see it is working just fine. You can see we can browse the directories without any issues. So let's go to var, for example containers, bundle, application, and you can see everything is properly being read without any issues. Also for a demo that yes you can write to it, I will open this folder and then hit edit, more, and then I will create a new file here. I will just type test, hit done, and you can see we can write to it without any issues. For this test we will also try to create a new folder, edit, more, new folder, and I will name it test1, done, and you can see we can create a folder and a file without any issues. So we have both read and write access, and yes, my device is not jailbroken, as you can see the app library here. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.